I guess this would be considered good morning, right? It's almost 2 o'clock in the morning. This wind is beating. Yeah, it's beating up there. Okay, here we go. Listen to that. Holy shit. Listen. Yep. I'm trying to go to sleep for work. And this is what I'm dealing with. Stations in life, people. Stations in life. They happen. We have to accept it. We have to adapt to it and overcome. Look at that. This shit is crazy. We got a couple storms out there, but guess what? I'm nice and warm in here. I'm going to bed. Look, that shit is crazy. Man, I hope y'all have a good night, good morning, depending on what time you review this. But I gotta get to bed for work. I gotta be up in like 3 hours. Like, share, subscribe, people. Let's get to that grind. Let's get that bag. Man, this shit is crazy. I hope I get some sleep tonight. Love y'all, man.